GQ shoot, and it's for a few covers, I believe, in Europe. This is one of those shoots where you can do something a little bit more risque because it's GQ, so that's why we don't have the camera in for most of the shots. The photographer has been great, Russell. It's the first time I'm working with him, but he's making everything quick, and I always have my great team around me, so it's been fun. As long as there's good food on set, good people, and good clothes, I'm all good. It's all easy.
Play into that profile just a little bit more. Sure, just going on.
Therapy is never easy because every single day you come in, and some days are better than others, but it's getting better, and I'm looking forward to having no pain at all. So once that day arrives, then I'll be hitting the tennis ball again.